Both of us knew that this was going to be a great hotel experience the second we walked in the front door, and there was a freaking flamingo. Alright, we made it to Maui. It's been quite the day. We had another flight cancellation. Tip, if you are flying from Honolulu to Maui, we recommend not flying into Kapalua Airport because apparently they cancel flights there all the time if they're not crowded enough. Obviously we got on another plane because we're here, but we had to fly into the other airport, which is Kahului, which was like about an hour away from the original airport, so we still did get
what's funny is it's like 15 miles, but it takes like an hour.
Yeah, it's actually pretty close. We are staying at the Westin Maui Resort, which we also went to the wrong Westin. There's two Westins on the same street.
No, it was kind of the right Westin. We accidentally went to where you check in if you have a villa.
Yeah, there's the hotel and then there's the villas. And we went to the villas first, and the guy was like, we can't find your reservation, which also the rental car people couldn't find our reservation. So it's been quite the day, but we finally made it here. It is amazing. We got laid for the first time on the trip so far. Little shell necklace, it's very nice. Maui is gorgeous, and we've got the king bedroom here. Katie is enjoying the Westin Heavenly bed, and some
oils.
Yeah, it's like essential oils. You rub it on your arms to go to sleep at night. We've got a little couch over there with our wedding ears, desk, TV. That's me. Big old sink. Nice tiled shower. We were supposed to have a garden view room, but we got upgraded. She told us that we were being upgraded from a garden view to a partial ocean view. But I think it's more a full ocean view. Look at this. It's just amazing. I think, looking at Google Maps, I think that's Molokai over there. Lanai is like right on the other side of this building here. You can see it. But it's amazing. Haleakala over there. I'm definitely excited to get some coffee in the morning and sit on this balcony. And I think the sun will set on that side, so we'll watch the sunrise.
We just missed the bird meet and greet. But it is movie night.
Oh, what's the movie?
I don't think it doesn't say. It just says where it is.
Both of us knew that this was going to be a great hotel experience the second we walked in the front door, and there was a freaking flamingo in like a pond down there.
There were several flamingos.
Several flamingos, yes. Anyways,
tomorrow at 10:30 a.m. we can learn to hula.
Ooh, well you already are pretty good at hula hooping. You ready to go down to the pool? Or the beach bar?
I might fall asleep.
Aww.
I need something to float on.
Yeah, we'll get you a floaty. Well, that has been our travel experience. Oahu to Maui tips with Katie and Jordan. Don't fly into Kapalua because your flight will get canceled.
Also, we don't really know what we're doing. This was based on a one-time experience.
Yes, totally one time. So don't totally follow our advice, but just know that if you fly into Kapalua from Oahu, there is a chance that your flight might be canceled. It happened to us twice.
The girl working at the airport also said that tourism has been a little bit affected by the volcano stuff, even though the volcano doesn't affect these islands.
Yeah, but she said
it's affecting tourism.
So unless you're going to the side where the volcano is, if you have reservations in the Big Island, just still go because you're going to be fine. But also, if you do go and you get hit by a volcanic explosion, we didn't tell you to go.
You get hit by a volcanic explosion.
I think we're both a little stir crazy and tired. Katie's just wiped out.
I've been oscillating between being delusionally tired and severely hungry, and every time that I'm not one, I'm the other.
Yeah.
So I'll be so hungry I can't function, and then I eat and it makes me so tired, and then I'm just so tired and hungry.
So I think we're gonna go float in the pool now.
What's this?
What's that? I don't know. It's a bottle opener.
They gave us a bottle opener.
That's clutch because every time we go to Disney World, we never have bottle openers, and I feel like
we've bought
so many Disney bottle openers.
I actually have mine in my suitcase because I came prepared.
We've started to pack them. You gonna get in the water?
It's too cold.
I know. Literally every time we come to get in the water, it gets cold out.
Oh, this is so fluffy right here.
It's
Like
so
stuff right
soft.
there.
Woo, it's like soupy. How cold is it? The current at this beach is so strong. It just pulls you in and out. And I don't think I've ever felt anything like it before. This is Ka'anapali Beach.
You comfy?
Oh yeah. This is the only way to do the beach. You gotta build your own chair. This is super relaxing. I kind of wish some water would come and get me though. It's getting a little hot in the sun. The sun came back out. It got warmer now.
Yeah, it's warmer now. The sun
Which is
making it beautiful.
And this beach is right at our hotel. Like we just walk out and back and
Oh yeah, that's the hotel.
the hotel's right
Where'd the rainbow go? The rainbow's
there. There was a
gone.
rainbow over there.
Oh, the sun though.
I know.
And the clouds, like, oh, it just looks so.
And we've got Lanai over
That's
here.
Lanai. So this is Maui. That's Lanai. And that's Molokai over there. In that direction, which you can't see. And
Is
a
it back?
rainbow. Thanks. It came back.
It did come back. They do have rainbows on all their license plates, so
It's
I thought we would see
it's
one
the
eventually.
Aloha State, but I think it could also be considered the Rainbow State, right? But it's the Aloha State. And I've learned that aloha doesn't really just mean hello and goodbye. Now that it has like a deeper meaning than that, doesn't
Yeah,
it?
uh-huh.
Aloha is like welcoming and like hospitality
It's like friendly, yeah.
and like love for each other and the earth. I feel like it's a more complicated. It's raining right now, even though it is like beautifully sunny. Can you see this? It's raining. You get rained on and you're
I know.
thrown.
I think I'm about ready to fill this in because we're responsible beachgoers. We're not going to leave a big hole here.
That's good. We don't want somebody to trip.
Then I think we'll rinse off and go get some food. Anyways, remember, create the life that you love, and we'll see you later.
Bye.
Aloha.
Aloha. Mahalo.
Mahalo
watching.
for watching.